Hi friends! Today we will learn about a part of speech called determiners. So let's start. We already know what are naming words or nouns. Nouns are the names that are given to persons, animals, places, things, and even ideas. Like in these sentences here. Some kids are talking loudly. Which movie are you going to watch? I am going to the market. My best friend is a boy named Eric. That cat is cute and cuddly. In these sentences, words like kids, movie, market, boy, cat, and Eric are naming words or nouns. Have a look at the words that are there before the nouns. Words like some, which, the, a, and that are known as determiners. Determiners tells us whether the noun is definite or indefinite, singular or plural, near or far, referred collectively or individually, etc. In other words, determiners limit the meaning of a noun and make the meaning clearer. There are 6 types of determiners: articles, demonstratives, possessives, distributives, quantifiers, interrogatives. Let's learn about each one of them one by one. Let's first learn articles. Articles include a, an, and the, from which a and an are indefinite article, as they don't refer to a specific noun, and the is called definite article, as it refers to specific nouns. Let's have examples. I saw a boy in the park today. I saw the boy in the park today. In the first sentence, the noun, a boy, is not a specific boy. The speaker is talking about a boy who is unknown to him. While in the second sentence, the noun, the boy, is a specific boy. The speaker is talking about the boy who is known both to the speaker and the listener. We very well know that a and an are used for singular nouns. And also we know rules for using a and an. A is used before the noun that begin with a consonant sound, and an is used before the nouns that begin with vowel sound. So we learned about the first category of determiners, that is, articles. Now let's learn what is the second category of determiners, and they are demonstrative. Demonstratives tells us how near or far the noun is from the speaker. For example, this book is very interesting. The word this suggests the book is near the speaker. It also suggests that there is only one book, as this is used for a singular noun. So, this is a determiner, which is a demonstrative. Similarly, we have demonstratives like these, those, and that. These is used for a plural noun which is near to the speaker, like these are my pens. Here, these is the determiner of the category demonstrative that suggests that the noun is plural and near to the speaker. That is my book. That is the determiner of the category demonstrative, and it suggests that the noun is far from the speaker and is singular. Those books are mine. Here, Those is the determiner, and the category is demonstrative. Those tells that the noun is plural and is away from the speaker. Let's revise. This is my pen. Here, this is a demonstrative that tells the noun is singular and near to the speaker. These are my pens. These is a demonstrative that tells the noun is plural and near to the speaker. That is my pen. That is a demonstrative that tells the noun is far from the speaker and singular. Those are my pens. Those is a demonstrative that tells the noun is far from the speaker and is plural, that is, more than one. So we have learned what are demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners are also called demonstrative adjectives. Now, let's learn another type of determiner. It is possessives or possessives determiner. Possessive determiners tell us about the ownership of nouns. They tell us to whom or what a noun belongs. Possessive determiners are words like my, his, her, its, our, their, etc. Now let's see some examples. This is my book. Here, the word my is a possessive determiner, as it suggests that the book belongs to the speaker. His car is really fast. Here we have a noun, car, and the word that is before the car is his. His is a determiner, and it's a possessive determiner, as it suggests that the car belongs to a singular third person, male noun. This is our ball. Here the noun is ball, and the word that comes before noun is our, and it's a determiner, and it's a possessive determiner, as it tells the ball belongs to plural first person noun. Their house is really beautiful. Here the noun is house, and we know the word that comes before the noun is a determiner. So here the determiner is their. It's a possessive determiner. It tells that the house belongs to plural third person noun. I have a dog whose fur is snow white. Here we have two nouns, dog and fur, and also two determiners, a before dog and whose before fur. A is a determiner of the type indefinite article that suggests that the dog is a singular noun. Whose is a determiner of the type possessive determiner. It suggests that the fur belongs to the dog. So friends, today we learned about 3 types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, and possessives. We will learn more types of determiners in our next assignment. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!